Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, I feel a little cold.
When will you come back?
I will come back at 8 p.m.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free tomorrow.
Where is your phone?
My phone is on the table.
Did you call him?
Yes, I called him yesterday.
What are you reading?
I am reading a storybook.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
Who is at the door?
It's the delivery man.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What is in your bag?
Books are in my bag.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
How tall are you?
I am 5 feet 6 inches tall.
Where were you last night?
I was at my cousin's house.
Do you watch TV?
They are my brother's shoes.
Whose shoes are these?
Yes, I watch TV every night.
Can you open the window?
Sure, I will open it.
Was the shop closed?
Yes, it was closed.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Are you ready to study?
Yes, I am ready.
Where is your father?
He is at the office.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
Can I use your pen?
Yes, you can.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Do you know her?
Yes, I know her well.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in July.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Are you sleepy?
No, I am not sleepy.
Is this your book?
Yes, that is my book.
Where is the bus stop?
It is near the park.
Who is singing?
My sister is singing.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
How was your trip?
My trip was amazing.
Did you finish homework?
Yes, I finished it.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock.
Can you help me?
Of course, I will help.
Do you like books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Is your house big?
No, it is small.
Where is your bag?
It is under the chair.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
Who is calling you?
My mother is calling.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
Are you at school now?
Yes, I am at school.
Can you cook rice?
Yes, I can cook rice.
Was it raining?
Yes, it was raining.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing.
Where is the key?
The key is in the drawer.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Did you see the news?
Yes, I saw the news.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I drink milk daily.
How far is the park?
The park
My
is 2
favorite singer
kilometers
is
away.
Adele.
Can I borrow your
Yes,
book?
I drink milk daily. Sure, take it.
Was she happy?
Yes, she was very happy.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I enjoy rain.
Where is the hotel?
It is next to the bank.
Did you meet her?
Yes, I met her.
Who is laughing?
The children are laughing.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music daily.
How many pens do you have?
I have 5 pens.
Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you play guitar?
Yes, I can play guitar.
Was the food tasty?
Yes, it was very tasty.
What is your address?
My address is 12 Main Street.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
Where is the teacher?
She is in the classroom.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, I went shopping.
Who is driving the car?
My brother is driving.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, I like flowers.
How long is the bridge?
The bridge is 2 kilometers long.
Are you at the station?
Yes, I am at the station.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please sit.
Was the exam easy?
Yes, it was very easy.